Good afternoon, everyone. So, what we have seen in the last lecture, the cross elimination method and one example for that we have seen. And we have started with LU decomposition method, right? Okay, I think you must solve one more example for Gauss elimination method. Okay, so the idea will be more clear how to solve the example by using the Gauss elimination method. Write this example. X plus 4y minus z is equals to minus 5. X plus y minus 6z is equal to minus 12. 3x minus y minus z is equal to 4. So you have to solve this example by Gauss elimination method, which we have said in the last lecture. Okay, try to solve and tell me the answer, and after that we'll go for the LU decomposition method. Yes, whether you got the first new system in which you have to eliminate x from the next two equations. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Solving, ma'am.
Okay, okay, solve it.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
New system is x plus 4y minus z is equal to minus 5. Hello, ma'am.
This first question is na the new system.
New system?
Tell me the second and third equation.
Second and third equation, minus 3y minus 5z is equal to minus 7. Minus 13y plus 2z is equal to 19. Is it correct, ma'am?
Okay, let me. Yes, everyone got the answer.
Hello, ma'am. The third equation of second system is minus 13y plus 2z is equal to minus 11.
Minus 7. Yes, everyone, please read once again.
Yes, ma'am. It will be 19.
No,
By
ma'am, it is.
mistake.
Now what we do, we have to eliminate y from the last equation. To eliminate y from the last equation, we have to do calculations about our second and third equation of a new system. You have to do the calculations. What you will multiply so that the y will be eliminated from the last equation.
Thirteen by 3.
Okay, 13 by 3, so 3 get cancelled, so it is minus 13 now. So minus minus, I think it is minus 13 it should be, right? Because this minus minus become plus, and if you are going to add to the third equation, then you will get the answer. Is it okay? Okay, solid, and tell me the last equation, rather the new system after elimination of y. Yes, what is the answer? What is the solution of this? what is the equation? We have only changed the last equation. Hello? आवाज येते माझा?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Is it audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the last equation? Yes. Did it require it so much time to calculate the last equation?
Ma'am, it is Z is equal to 148 upon 71. 148 upon 71.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone got the same answer? Yes. Gayatri Brahmani also commented 148 upon 71. Okay. Now let us put back in our original equations. That is this one minus 3y minus 5z. And you will get the value of y. Okay. So putting this minus 3y is equals to minus 7 plus 5 into z. What is the value of z? 148 divided by 71. Just do the calculations and you will get the value of y. Similarly, after getting the value of y, put in our first equation and you will get the value of x. Have you completed the example?
Minus 81 upon 71.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, value of y is minus 81 divided by 71.
71.
Okay. Now, if you want to check whether these answers are correct or not, you have to put back to our original system. So what is our original system? X plus 4y minus z is equal to minus 5. So all the values of x, y, z must satisfy your original equations. Okay, because after reducing, we are going to find out the new system. So that's why to check the answer, whether whatever the values of x and x, y, z we have obtained, it is correct or not, you have to again put back to our equations and any one equation you can check for first, second or third equation, and if you get the equality then it will be the values of x, y, z will be correct. Be prepared for your internal examinations. It will be starting from 26 or 27 and it will be there in the sequence MIPD, OR numerical analysis, MIPD integral equation, OR and numerical analysis. Okay. And, at least I will give you all the MCQ questions, but still you have to solve those that you will come to know when you are going to appear for the examinations. Okay, I hope you have found the value of x. Let us proceed for the next one, that is LU decomposition method. Okay, in the LU decomposition method,
Is it value of x is 117 upon 71?
yes, सगळ्यांना हेच आलं का आन्सर 117/71.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now I think you can solve the example by using the Gauss elimination method. So we have to just solve the system of linear equation. What do you mean by whatever the equation solution we have obtained? It means that all the three planes are having the common intersection point. That common intersection point is nothing but those values of x, y, and z. Okay. And if suppose you are not getting any solution, it means that they are not having any common intersection point. Now let us go for the next method, that is LU decomposition method. In short, in the last lecture we have seen what is the value of A we have. It is nothing but you are given a system, that is A11, A12, A13. Next is A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. And what is your L? L is the lower triangular matrix. Unit lower triangular. What is L? It is 100, L21, 10, L31, L32, 0, and U is upper triangular matrix, which consists of U11, U12, U13, and 0, 0, 0, U22, U23, and the last entry is U33. Okay. Now, with the help of these calculations, what we have to do, we have to multiply these two matrices and we have to find out the values of those corresponding A11, because we know what is A11, A12, A13 and all. These values we are knowing since we are provided with the system of equation. If we are knowing the system of equation, we can, whatever the constant we have, the coefficients of x, y, and z, these are nothing but these AIs, AIG. And here we have to multiply these two matrices so that we can get the values of these L21, L32, U11, U12, and so on. So let me multiply these two matrices. What will be the multiplication? As both are 3 cross 3 matrices, so resultant is again 3 cross 3 matrix. So first entry will be simply U11. The next entry is U12. Next is U13. Okay. Which is equal to the same matrix, these entries. Okay, let us go for the next one. It will be L21, U11. The next is 0 plus next entry U12, L21 plus U22. Next L21, U13 plus U23. Simply we have to multiply the matrices. L31, U11 plus L32, U22. Next, first entry. It is L31, U11. Next is L31, U12 plus L32, U22. The last entry is L31, U13 plus L32, U23. Okay, you have to also check what is the multiplication of these matrices and which is equal to A11, A12, A13, 22, 23, 21, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Yes. Have you multiplied the matrices L into U? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. By equality of matrices, now we have to equate these entries and we will get the values of those UIs and L. Uij, Lij. So by equating the matrices, we have to write the statement. By equating matrices, we get U11 is equal to A11, U12 is equal to A12. So directly we will get the value of U11, U12 and U13 since we know what are the values of A11, A12 and A13. Okay. Next, L21, U11 is equal to A21, U12, L21 plus U22 is equal to A22. The last one is L21, U13 plus U23 is equal to A23. Now you can have these values of U11 here. What is the value of U11? A11. So you can write L21 is equal to A21 divided by A11. Right? What is the value of U12? A21. So we can have here value of L21 already knowing. This one is already knowing from this term. And U12 from this term. So we can write U2 is equal to A22 minus, okay, U12 is A12, L21 is A21 divided by A1. Getting me what I am writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, last equation we are solving L21 U13 plus, okay, what is the value of L21? Okay, we don't know, we are knowing what is L21 from this equation. Okay, U13 also we know from this equation U13 is A13. Okay, if you are knowing these two values, so let me write down this in terms of U23. This equation I am writing. U23 is equals to A23 minus L21. What is L21? A21 divided by A11 into U13. U13 is A13. Okay. So up to now we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 values we have got. Okay. Now let us go for next one. That means we have to equate the third row also. Okay. Equating the third row, what are the values? L31 U11 is equal to A31, L31 U12 plus L32 U22 is equal to A32. Next is L31 U13 plus L32 U23 is equal to A33. Right. Now we have to put up the values of U11. What is U11? A11. So with the help of that, I can write this equation as L31 is equal to, what is equation? A31 divided by A11. Make a bracket so that you can have an idea of what are the values we are getting. This L21 we have got. Since values of Aij we are knowing, so that's why we are finding the values of those terms in terms of Aij. Okay. Let us solve the last two equations in which we have to find out now values of U12 is A21. This A12 is already known. Now what we need to find out L31, right? U22 is also known. Let's find out. Try to solve the last two equation and tell me what you will get. L31 is known to us, right? L31 is A31 divided by A11. Okay, let me write down the same equation. L31 U12 plus L32 U22 is equal to A32. Okay, here we know L31. What is L31? A31 divided by A11. U12 is A12. So what we remains to find out? L32. L32 into U22 is equal to A32 minus L31 is A31 divided by A11 into U12. What is the value of U12 from this? You can see the second equation we have obtained is A12.
A1.
Okay. What is the value of U22? This bracket you can see. Value of U22 here we have written A22 minus A12 A21 divided by A11. Okay, so here you can put up the value of U22. And hence from this equation we can get the value of a L32. Okay, let us solve the last equation. What is the last equation in which L31 is also known to you? Okay, U13 is A13 which is also known. Okay, next is L32 just now we have found. So simply we have to find out U23 from this equation. Okay. You are knowing what is L31, U13, L32. So simply we have to find out U23. And one thing I should tell you, if you want to solve any example by using LU decomposition method, you should by heart these 9 formulas. The first one are easy. U11 is A11, U12 is A12, U13 is A13. L2n is also easy. U22 and U23 are somewhat difficult, and the last equations are again much more difficult to remember this. I am solving the last equation which we have equated. T2 U23. A33 is known to us. Okay, now let me put up the values which we are knowing. This one is known to us. So let me write down it is in terms of U23 into L32 is equal to A33 minus this value of L31 is A31 divided by A11. U13 is A13. Now just put up the value of L32 which we have obtained from this. Okay. So in short, I will describe you what are those formulas from your recommended book. Yes. Have you been able to see these equations? 9 equations we have. And here the values of all the terms are given. U11, U12, U13 are easy to get the values. The next is L21, L31, U22, U23, L32. Okay. Those who want to write down, you have to write down these all 9 formulas so that you can solve the example by using the LU decomposition method. You can see the page number also. It is page number 280 from your recommended book. Yes. What is your recommended book for numerical analysis?
Introductory methods of numerical analysis.
What is the author for this? Because I have
Yes,
already
yes.
shared you when
Shastri.
SS Sastri. I hope you have written the formulas.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see here these formulas we have obtained by calculations. Simply those values which we are knowing, just put up and you will get all the 9 formulas, whatever the values of Lij and Uij, with the help of knowing the values of Aij. Okay. Any doubt up to this? What you have to do actually, suppose we are having the system A, we are knowing what is the system A. Simply we are having one system of three equation which is in the form of Ax is equal to B. The A is a coefficient matrix and X is values of XYZ or X1, X2, X3. So for this system we have to write down A in terms of LU. And after that U can be written in the form of, yes, whether you remember what we have done in the last lecture. This we have to put up in our original equation. So we get Lux is equal to B. Right? After putting this A in the above equation, we get Lux is equal to B. And this Ux we have to put it as Ly is equal to B. Right? Ux is Y. So we have to first solve this system so that we can get the values of Y. Solve the system for values of Y. After getting the values of Y, we have to solve this system. What is the system? This Ux is equal to Y. Okay, if you are knowing the values of Y, this system you have to solve for getting the values of X. Or in another way, you can go directly by substituting the values. You can remember these formulas and you can solve the example. Okay, there are two ways. Either you have to remember all the 9 formulas or you have to first solve the Ly is equal to B system and then solve Ux is equal to Y system. Okay, L is known to you. What is L? L is a lower triangular matrix. And then because here if you know the values of those terms and then we can find out. Right. Okay. Now let us go for solving the actual example so that the idea will be more clear. Have you completed up to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write this example x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. Next, 4x1 plus 3x2 minus xv is equal to 6. 3x1 plus 5x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 4. These equations may be in terms of xyz or it may be in terms of x1, x2 and x3. Okay, first write this equation in terms of Ax is equal to B. Okay, we have to follow the 2 steps. First, you have to remember 9 formula and then we have to put up it in the system. Ly is equal to B and solve the values of y and then put up back in Ux is equal to y and then the system Lux is equal to B will be solved. Okay. Have you written the example?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now put up in the form of X is equal to B. Okay, you have to tell me what are the entries of A. It is 1, 1, 1. Next entry is 4, 3, minus 1, 3, 5, 3. Values of x are x1, x2, and x3 is equal to B is 1, 6, and 4. Okay, so we have written the system in the form of Ax is equal to B. Now, what is our job to do first is we have to write down the matrix A in the form of L into U. Okay, right here matrix A we have to write A is 1 with the entries. Okay, you need lower triangular matrix. U is upper triangular matrix. Okay, if you remember all the formulas, 9 formulas, you have to equate and you'll get the answer. What is U11, U12, U13, U22, and U23, U31, and L21, L31, and L32. Total 9 equations you have to solve. Or in another way, you can directly remember the formula to get the answer directly. If you have written the formula just now, you have to put up the answers and directly we can get the value of U11 is A11. Right, U12 is 1, U13 is also 1, correct? Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us solve the next one. L21 is A21 divided by A11. Okay, what is A21? The second row, first column, that is 4 divided by A11 is 1. So we get answer is 4. Next, you can get the value of L31. Okay, what is L31? The formula for L31 is A31 divided by A11. What is A31? Third row, first column. 3 divided by A11 is 1. So we get L31 is 3. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values we are getting. Next, write it and then we will go for solving the next. completed up to this? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now let us solve to get the values of U22. What is U22? A22 minus A21 divided by A11 into A12. Okay, what is A22 from our equation? It is 3. Minus A21 is 4 divided by 1 into A12. Minus 1, we are getting the value of U22.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, U23 is A23 minus A21 divided by A11, A13. Okay, we are knowing all the values of Aij, hence A23. Second row, third column, minus A21. What is A21? 4 divided by 1, A13 is also 1. So totally we get the value of U23 is minus 1 minus 4, it is minus 5. Now let us calculate the last one, L32.
-2, ma'am.
Yes,
-2.
L32 is minus 2. What is A32? Third
5.
row, second column, 5 minus A31 is 3 divided by 1, A12 divided by value of U22 we have obtained is minus 1. 5 minus 3, that is 2 divided by minus 1, that is minus 2. Okay. Have you completed up to this all the values of Lij and Uij we have found? We have to proceed to find out Ly is equal to B. We have to solve Ly is equal to B and then
Ma'am, value of U33?
we haven't found U33. Okay, it remains to find out. Okay, U33, what is the formula for U33?
Ma'am, it's minus 10.
Have you calculated U33?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us check the values. I hope you have found and U33 is equal to, yes, tell me the answer.
Minus 10, ma'am.
Minus 10.
Yes, ma'am.
From the formulas, whatever we have to solve it by using that. Okay, I hope you have found all the values. Let me check what the values we need is these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 9 values we should get. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have got these 3 values. 1, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. Okay, total 9 values we are getting now. So simply I have to write what are the values of L here. This is 1, 0, 0. Okay, tell me what is L21 we have got?
4.
L21 is 4. 1, 0. L31.
3.
L31 is 3. L32
-2.
minus.
-2.
Okay. L32 is -2. L21 is 4. L31 is 3. Okay. Into y. What is y? It is unknown. We have to solve the system for finding the values of y. Is equal to, now we are knowing what is b. B is b1, b2, b3. What is 1, 6 and 4. Now we can solve the system. Directly we will get the value of y1 is 6, y1 is 1, right? Okay, let me check. This is what 3 cross 3 and this is 3 cross 1. So resultant you are getting which one type of a matrix? 3 cross 1 na?
Yes, ma'am.
4y1 plus y2 equal to 6. The last equation is 3y1 plus minus 2y2 plus y3 is equal to 4. Now if you are knowing y1 value directly, you can put in equation and you will get 4 plus y2 is equal to 6. y2 is 2. Okay, let us put in this equation 3 minus 2 into 2, that is 4 plus y3 is equal to 4 minus 1, so y3 is equal to 5. Is it correct? You have to solve it.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
here
Yes, ma'am.
solve. Okay. So here we have solved the system Ly is equal to b for getting the values of y. Now, if we are getting the values of y, let us solve system ux is equal to y. As we are knowing the values of y, we can solve the system. Now we know the values of u also. What is u? U is upper triangular matrix. u11, u12, u13, 0, 0, 0, u22, u23, and u33. Into, now here this system we will solve to find out the values of x, y, and z. In this case, it is x1, x2, x3. So, what are the values of y1, y2, y3? We have obtained is 1, 2, and 5. Now you can solve this system if you are knowing the values of these terms. Okay, what is u11? It is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Yes, tell me what is u22 we have obtained?
-1.
u22 is -1, u23 and u3
-5.
-1, u33.
-10.
Okay. I am believing on you because I have also not solved this one. Okay. Now here you can get the value of x3 directly. So you can solve to get the values of x2 and x1. Minus x2 minus 5 x3 equal to 2. And minus 10 x3 is equal to 5, which means that x3 is equal to minus half. Putting again in this equation, we get What is x2?
x2 is 1 by 2.
Correct. Okay.
x1 is equal to 1.
x1 is equal to 1.
1.
Now let us check whether these answers, whatever we have obtained, are correct or not. Let us put in our first equation. X1 is 1 plus x2 is 1 by 2 plus x3 is minus half, which is equal to plus half minus half get cancel 1, which is equal to the required answer 1, and hence we can say that whatever the system we have solved by using LU decomposition method is correct. Okay, these are simply the ways to solve the system of linear equation with the help of elimination method or LU decomposition method. Have you understood the method by the example itself? But no doubt you have to remember these formulas, these 9 formulas we have obtained here. If you remember all these 9 formulas, whatever the boxes I have prepared, you remember, then you can solve the example and put for Ly is equal to b and then ux is equal to y. After putting Ly is equal to b, you will get the values of y. That means the system will solve for y, and ux is equal to y. Then we can solve the system for getting the values of x1, x2, and x3. Okay. Now how to find out inverse with the help of this A inverse. If A is L into U, what will be A inverse? U inverse into L inverse, no? Now let us solve one more example with the help of this. Write this: 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 9. 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 9. X plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 6. Three x plus 5 plus 2z equal to 8. Solve it now and tell me the answers. What is uij and lij, and then solve for ax. Ly is equal to b and ux is equal to y. Yes, getting the values of u11, u12, u13 by the formulas.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay, verify whatever you have got. U11 is 2, U12 is 3, U13 is 1. These are directly. Okay. What is L21? 1 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
L31 is 3 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
U22 1 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
U23 5 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
L32 minus 7.
Yes, ma'am.
U33 18. 1 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now just we have to put it in the system. Ly is equal to B. Solve it for y1, y2, y3 and then put up in ux is equal to y.
मॅम U33 किती म्हणलात मॅम? हॅलो.
एक मिनिट. U33 18. 18.
1.
Oh, y1 is equal to 9, ma'am.
Okay. Y1 is 9.
y2 is 3 by 2.
Y3 is 5.
5. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay, now solve the system ux is equal to y for getting the values of x, y and z.
Ma'am, x1 is 35 upon 18.
Yes.
x2 is 29 upon 18. And x3 is 5 upon 18.
Okay, correct.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if question is like decompose the matrix, then only we have to solve this system.
Decompose the matrix means what you have to write in the form of A is equal to L into U. No need to solve further. That means Ly is equal to B, Ux is equal to Y. अगर आपको सिर्फ A is equal to LU के फॉर्म में पूछा है तो सिर्फ LU तक ही सॉल्व करना है और A is equal to L into U के फॉर्म में जो भी वैल्यूज है L21 और U12 and all, you have to put up those values and you have to complete this one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We are remaining with Gauss-Seidel method. Value decomposition we have done Gauss-Seidel and eigenvalues of symmetric right diagonal matrix and Householder methods. Okay. I think we stop here and then in the next lecture we'll go for these 2 to 3 methods and then we'll complete the syllabus way in the next 2 lecture maybe. 2 to 3 lecture will require and after that we will shift for a integral equation. Okay. Thank you.